Hamdi, Fadwa, Wadi and Ahmed. We are from Tunisia and we are here for 1 year with the association Solidarity Iraq's Monopathy Release, and we came today to prepare some Tunisian traditional food. So Fadwa will tell us what we will prepare the first thing.
Okay, hello. I will tell you how you can do the bread. First step, you need 1 kilo for flour. And 2 for the powder. Bit for oil and thinner, and salt. You mix it with hot water. Mixing the bread, cover it and let it rest 1 hour.
So after the bread, now we will take the carrot and we will make the salad of the carrot. Rolly will come here to see what we will do. We will just take all the skin for the carrot and then we will boil it until you see that the carrot is ready. We will cut it a little bit. Okay, now after cleaning all the carrot, we will cut them in half, all of them, like this, and we will put them in the water, which is boiling now. And we will let it for like 15-20 minutes and then okay, now we took one head of onion, we cut it in 4 pieces. We will put it in this magic system. We have one head of garlic also. We cut it, we put it here. Under this we have water, just water. We will boil it. If you don't have this, you just grab one bowl like this, put water under, put piece of aluminum, make some holes and put the vegetable out. Okay, now after boiling the carrot, we need to remove it from the water, and you will find it like this. It's a little bit yellow, soft, and from here we will add it to, if you remember, the onion and the garlic. Put it here all together and we will let it boil a little bit. Already, it's well cooked. We will put it here. And you could see. Put everything, the carrot, the onion, the garlic. Everything is well cooked. see, we make it very good. Can you come a little bit here? It's really okay. Now we will put a little bit olive oil inside. Not so much. Some. Okay. Usually we have Tunisian spicy, but you can put anything you want. I mean, it depends about the flavor that you want it. Now we will put just too spicy. I mean, this is better to turn it to mix everything.
Oven on 118 degree, and now I will prepare the bread. Okay, now I will make the small balls like this. Open them, and I will put in the plate and let him 5 minutes, and after I will put in the oven. Now I will make some decoration, and after I will make them in the oven for 10 minutes to be ready.
Twenty minutes later.
We finished the salad and the bread, and I want to tell you,
Shaya Taiba.